Welcome to another in a series of short videos on ATR's high-tech exploration process. In this brief segment, we'll cover the basic principles behind the step exploration tool we call Proprietary Spectrometric Analysis, or PSA for short, a key player in ATR's prospect evaluation strategy. Every geologist knows there's a connection between surface and subsurface, that subsurface dynamics drive surface expression. That's not new, and here's a perfect example of it. The heavy steps of T-Rex in the movie Jurassic Park, causing surface tremors. Notice the circular ripples in the cup of water. Like structurometric analysis, PSA analyzes pixels in satellite data, such as you see here in this satellite 3D cube volume. This is a fairly common industry practice. So what's so unique about STEP and PSA? Proprietary spectrometry is the product of decades of research, application, and drilling. And it made a breakthrough discovery that certain patterns exist in satellite data which point to fluids in the subsurface. PSA detects these patterns, which could be compared to the T-Rex ripples in the previous slide. They result from subsurface processes which cause effects on the surface, which are detected by PSA's data processing algorithms. The genius of PSA is the discovery of these patterns and their connection with subsurface oil and gas. It's a pretty amazing technology. The brilliant developers of proprietary spectrometry have confirmed several important findings. First, the edges of fluid-saturated zones produce circular patterns in satellite images. Second, oil, gas, and water each have unique and distinct circular patterns. And finally, the diameter of these circular patterns can accurately be used to calculate the depth of reservoirs. Think about that. By using PSA, you can find and distinguish oil and gas from water with reasonable confidence anywhere in the world. Here's a good PSA example over an existing geothermal power plant in North Sulawesi, Indonesia. You see circles very clearly, and they would not be detected via conventional methods. These circular edge effects reveal the fluid-saturated zones deep below the surface in these volcanic bodies. ATR's evaluation process is simple. Unless all evaluation tools confirm, both conventional and STEP, we won't drill. It's as simple as that. And this is the case in this South Texas prospect. PSA said the sponsor's chosen gold drill path has a high risk of failure. ATR passed on this prospect as a result, preferring the white drill path. This kind of multi-method data compilation is invaluable. It enables ATR to drill or not drill with much greater confidence. As mentioned previously, ATRE has worked all over the world, performing over 100 STEP satellite surveys, with more than 50 in the United States alone. And PSA has played a key role in those studies. Here again are a few of ATRE's customers which have benefited. The combination of geoscientific methods employed by ATR, featuring STEP as well as conventional tools, has had very high success rates in picking good wells and avoiding the duds. Simply put, proprietary spectrometry is an extremely powerful tool for finding oil and natural gas and de-risking drilling prospects. Thanks for visiting with us, and we'll see you at the drill site.